morning, everyone. Today I would like to share with you the mala. A lot of people asked, there's a many different kind of material of mala when we do the different practice. Some people ask me, do I need to have a crystal material mala in order I can do Guan Yin, the meditation? In fact, if you saw that the Chanting, the tanka, on the right hand, the Chanting holding the crystal mala, that's true. So that's why a lot of people will refer, we need to have one crystal mala in order we can do this Guan Yin Chanting meditation practice. It's not necessary have to do so, but a lot of people will prefer to have one. I think that's not the matter what kind, what type of a mala material we use while we do the meditation practice. We need to learn that meditation practice is through this mala, we counting the maybe chanting Guan Yin's mantra. We need to erase Guan Yin chanting, the great heart, great compassion toward all the sentient beings. So that will be more meaningful which type I need to have or what kind I need to use. That's not really the important issue. As long as you have a mala on your hand, you already promise yourself you want to do the mindfulness meditation practice. And also, through this meditation practice, we need to learn all the Buddha, Bodhisattva, their inner side of great compassion, great wisdom. The main key point is not the matter of what type or what kind of mala we are holding to do the meditation practice. So I hope this sharing can give you some idea for that, and I hope can see you soon again. Thank you.